Hey there, this is Darci Frankel, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your 4 organs of detoxification and the 7 different categories of toxins. Did you know that there are actually 7 categories of toxins? It's true. So we're going to talk about that today, and then I will invite you to my upcoming webinar. I will post that here, which it will be a deeper dive on the 7 categories of toxins. And I'm posting it right below here. So I'll invite you to my free webinar on the 7 categories of toxins, which will be a really deep dive into the 7 categories of toxins and how they affect you. It's really important that we know this information. And then I will also talk a little bit about my upcoming group cleanse, my virtual cleanse, and I'll invite you to that too. So that's what I'm doing here. So welcome if you've just come on to this Facebook Live on all the different platforms. All right, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Darci Frankel, and I am a cleansing specialist. And I've been helping people to feel better for about 26 or so years now. And I do that through educational videos like this, consultations, retreats, and my day spa right here on Kauai, on the very north shore of Hawaii. So that's what I'm doing today. Can't help but do what I do, because I do what I do wherever I go, and so do you. So what I want to help you do today is up-level your health and well-being by talking to you a little bit about the 7 categories of toxins. Now think about your questions, because I'll have a moment where I answer them. So go ahead and type those in the comments, and I will answer your questions about toxins and cleansing.